Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, my neighbor gave me some insecticide that has the main ingredient bifenthrin in there, and this is great for killing those pesky bugs in the lawn, around the perimeters, in the landscape, indoors, outdoors, it don't matter. So, long story short, all you gotta do is throw it in your tank sprayer. About 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet per gallon of water will get the job done. And that's the high rate. But you know me, I always go high. Normally I'm a granular guy when it comes to insecticides, but I noticed some gnarly looking bugs that looked like baby chinch bugs. So I'm not taking any chances. Right now I'm just spraying the parkway strips and part of the main stage and then some of the perimeter of my house. If you want to go crazy, you could spray your doorways, your windows, the trim, all the perimeter of the home as well. It's pretty cool. It takes about a couple hours to dry. Don't let anyone on the lawn for a couple hours and you should be good to go, daddy-o. What do you use for your insecticide needs?